Hello everyone, welcome to third standard English medium science subject. Lesson number 13: The sun, the moon and stars. You must have seen the sky at night. We do not see the sun. The night sky is full of stars. They form different patterns and shapes in the sky. Join the dots to make patterns of stars seen in the sky. So this is the patterns. You have to join and make the stars. Have you seen group of stars in the sky? Answer yes or no. Yes. Stars look like tiny dots of light in the sky because options they are very small, they are very far away from us, they are bright and very far away from us. None of this. Answer C. They are very bright and far away from us. The sun and the solar system. The sun is a huge ball of fire which gives us heat and light. The earth moves around the sun. The earth is a planet. A planet is a round object that moves around the sun in a fixed path called orbit. The sun and 8 planets are part of the solar system. The 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Planets do not have any light of their own. They reflect the light of the sun that falls on them. The Earth is the third planet from the sun. It is the only planet known to have life on it. Moon. The moon is our closest neighbor in the sky. Just as the earth moves around the sun, the moon moves around the earth. The moon is also called the earth's satellite. A satellite is an object that moves around a planet like our earth or other planets also have satellites. Pictures of the moon show that it has mountains. There are also huge holes on the moon. These holes are called craters. There is no air on the moon. The moon does not have light of its own. It reflects the light of the sun. Phases of the moon. The shape of the moon seems to change every night. The different shapes of the moon are called as the phases of the moon. As the moon rotates around the earth, different parts of the moon can be seen from the earth. This is the reason for the phases of the moon. The moon changes from a new moon, which can hardly be seen, to a full moon and then back to the new moon in about 29 days. Stars. Like the sun, stars are also huge balls of fire. They appear as tiny dots of light because they are very far away from us. The sun is also a star. It is the star closest to the earth. To look at the moon and the stars in the night sky, we use an instrument called the telescope. A telescope helps us to see far off objects such as the stars, the moon, and the planets clearly. Some stars appear to form a pattern or shape in the sky. Such patterns formed by a group of stars are called constellations. The Great Bear and Orion the Hunter are two constellations you could easily identify in the night sky. Can you spot any of these in the night sky? Great Bear, Oxion. Astronomers are people who study the objects in the sky. They have identified many constellations. Some 1500 years ago, an Indian astronomer, Aryabhatta, explained that the earth is round and rotates on its axis. He also said that the moon has no light of its own but shines when lit by sunlight. Bhaskara and Varahamihira were two other great Indian astronomers of ancient India. Galileo, an Italian, and Johannes Kepler, a German, are other famous astronomers. Thank you.